Who says you need to spend so much just to gift your spouse, your main spouse, a Christmas gift? Let me show you some gift ideas that are perfect and budget friendly. Hi, my cherries. Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to today's video. If this is your first time of ever seeing this pretty face, hiya. Welcome to my channel. My name is IAMJESSFECHI. Please join this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button so that you can see while you're watching this video, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever any new video comes out from me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. I don't take it for granted at all. So today's video, you might have seen it already. It is Vlogmas Day 2, and today's video I'm going to be sharing gift ideas for your male spouse, and are not so expensive. In fact, they are budget friendly. I know that gifting a male figure, maybe your spouse, your sibling, a male sibling, or male friend, naturally gifting for Christmas is not something that is African centric. Like, we don't do gifting during Christmas period, but it is actually something that is not so bad, because we are the reason for the season. Christ was birthed for us, and we are celebrating his birth. So it's not something wrong if we cultivate that habit of gifting people around us. And that is why I decided to do this video. For those of you that are already doing it, kudos. Because I remember when we were smaller, but it was gifted. The only gift we received while I was growing up was just our Christmas clothes, Christmas shoes, and the jewelries that come with it. Those are just the gifts that we receive, and that's it. No any gifting other than that. But yeah, cultivate that habit. It's an habit that I want to cultivate, and I decided to share this video with you in case you want to cultivate the same habit, or it's something that you've been doing and you are thinking of which gifts can I give a male figure in my life, maybe a friend, a colleague, a spouse, or a male sibling that will actually not cost me so much. That is why this video is here. So watch to the end. Don't miss any part at all. The first one is a wristwatch set, and I'll be leaving pictures of the item talking about. I'll be leaving the pictures on the screen for you guys to see them. A wristwatch set, you can actually go to supermarkets, you can go to the market to get them yourself, and you can get them online. You can get a wristwatch set that is from 10,000 below. If you don't want to spend too much, from 10,000 below, you can get a good wristwatch set for that your friend, for that your spouse. But if you have money to splurge, there are also expensive ones as well. And these gift items that I'm listing are gift items that these people will always make use of, and whenever they see them, they remember you. I know in Nigeria, a lot of women are so in this our head. Whenever we think of gifts to gift a male figure in our life, maybe a sibling or something, we always think of boxer and singlet, and there are a lot of beautiful gifts other than boxer and singlet. And that is why I decided to make this video as well. For those of you that like the boxer and singlets, stop it. That is not the only gift that men are entitled to. There are so many other gifts, and this is one that I've just listed for you now. A wristwatch set is a good gift to gift that male figure in your life this Christmas. Another one here is a notepad and a water bottle set. Yeah, for those of you that always think that men don't write, they actually do write. They do write. This is another beautiful gift idea, a notepad and a water bottle set. That notepad, you can, from where you're going to get it, I've seen a lot of vendors that they can help you imprint the name of the person that you want to gift it to on that notepad. And even on the water bottle, but even if they can't do the water bottle, they might definitely do on the notepad. That one is also a beautiful gift idea to give to that male figure in your life, and does not cost you so much. The price range as well, this one can get high up to 15,000 naira, but you can also get one of 10,000 or lesser. Another this idea here is a perfume. Yeah, men loves perfume. In fact, everybody loves perfume, and getting that male figure in your life a perfume for Christmas is a very thoughtful and beautiful gift. In fact, whenever that person just brings out that perfume to make use of, they just remember you automatically, because it's a very beautiful, and you don't need to spend so much. You don't need to spend so. You must not buy designers of 100, and there are perfumes of 10,000 and below. And the thing is, for those that appreciate gifts, they don't care how much it costs. It's the thought that counts. So a perfume is another beautiful gift idea to gift that male figure in your life. I know I'm rushing this video, but I just don't want to make the video too long, because it's actually not necessary for it to be long. Beautiful gift idea is a palm slippers. Yeah, men love to wear palm a lot. Most times men wear shoes when they are going to work. Maybe they work a 9 to 5, but most times if they're not, they just love wearing their palm slippers. And a beautiful palm slippers is also a very nice gift idea to get for that male figure in your life. And you don't actually need to break the bank to do that. You can actually get a very nice, fine palm slippers that is within 10,000 and below. And whenever they, and most especially if you don't get the one that the person likes so much, they will always want to wear it. And whenever they put on that palm slippers, you always crop something in their mind because they remember, this person bought me this palm as a Christmas gift. So the palm slippers is another beautiful gift idea to give a male figure in your life. I don't know if people notice, most especially in Nigeria, Nigerian men now love carrying bags, handbags. Or there are different types. Like I said, I'll be leaving pictures of them on the screen for you guys to see them. You can also buy that as a gift idea, a Christmas gift idea for that male figure in your life. Even if it's not just one person, maybe you want to give your male friends or male siblings or male whatever in your life. This also is a very good gift idea as a Christmas gift for that male figure. They will really, really appreciate it because it's trending right now. Men carrying, I won't call them, let me call them handbag, but they are not really handbag. It's handbag anyways because they are holding it in their hands. So it's handbag, but those that are made for men. That is also a very beautiful gift idea. Another one you can do is a photo frame. Some people appreciate that. I would actually love it if you get me a photo frame from for Christmas gift. So another beautiful idea is a photo frame. It doesn't have to be too big, just something nice. Like I said before, it's the thoughts that count, and a lot of people appreciate that a lot. The mere fact that you got them gifts, because naturally in Nigeria, I don't think anyone expects gifts during Christmas period. So if you do that, they would really, really appreciate it. And a photo frame is something that will always be with them, like forever and ever, except they decide to dispose it and maybe change it into something bigger or something better. But whenever they put up that photo frame, even in their room, in their sitting room, wherever they put it up, they will definitely just remember that you gifted them that gift during a Christmas period. They will even remember the year. That's how gifts that stays, like gifts that people can actually make use of, can always see. It stays in their memory, it stays with them. Okay, another one is a jewelry set and power bank as well. When I mean a jewelry set, I mean, you know, there are some sets that comes with bangles, rings, and maybe eyeglass. That is also a very good gift to gift the male figure in your life for Christmas. And also power bank as well. Like we all know the country where we live in. Power bank is precious to everybody. Like when I mean so precious to everybody, I don't think there's anybody that is in Nigeria right now that does not own a power bank. So gifting them a power bank is a very thoughtful and beautiful gift that they will never forget. Like whenever they look at that power bank, like I said, they will always remember who gifted them that power bank. So power bank as well is also a very beautiful and thoughtful gift that you can give them if you're in your life for Christmas, and it doesn't cost much. Like I said, these things, if you don't want to break the bank, this means you can get the cheaper versions of them or smaller versions of them that does not cost too much. Like this power bank, you can get one of 10,000. There is now when you want to go, because it comes as MAH. You can get a 10,000 MAH or even a 20,000 MAH for 10,000, yeah, and highest 15,000. So these are gift ideas that are very thoughtful. They are thoughtful. They are gifts that will last. It's not just something that they will just use once and that's it. They are gifts that it will last. They are gifts that they can actually make use of all the time. So these are thoughtful gifts that you can give that male figure in your life, either be it your spouse, your male colleague, your male friend, your sibling, your male sibling. These are beautiful gift ideas that you can gift them for Christmas. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did shooting this video for you guys. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, my Sherry. What are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free. You don't need to pay a dime for that. Just hit that subscribe button to join this beautiful family. Share this video with your friends and family, those that you know will be interested in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my Sherry.